Okay, CES 2026. Today I'm taking a look at the GDU booth. I've got Lizzie here. What do you got going on?
We are at the table of our most latest flagship drone. It's called GDU P300.
I can see that on the screen here we actually have thermals. Is that also built into all these P300s?
Yes. Most of our drones will equip with the infrared cameras. This one is even better because it's a drone that can see through fogs.
Okay.
So it's like a great tool when you want to do the aerial operation in the raining, foggy, or even filming at night.
So this can handle rain. So it's what's the waterproof rating of it?
Waterproof rating 55.
How about wind speed? That's one of the things that people are always concerned about with drones is how much wind force can it handle?
It can handle less than 6th grade the wind speed.
Now I can see it's got some pretty big propellers. It's a fairly large unit, but it also looks like it folds up. Is that correct?
Yes, it's a very portable drone. According to the feedback of most of our clients, only the portable drones will be the best seller.
I agree with that 100%. What kind of a resolution do we got on those cameras?
We have a pretty big sensor. It's 1/0.98 inches and also 50 megapixels.
And is that for the thermal as well?
640.
640. Okay, that's actually really good for a thermal.
AI enhanced technology, we managed to upscale to 1K resolution.
I think probably one of the more important things for me is going to be runtime. What kind of a runtime should we expect out of this?
It can last for 45 minutes.
That's actually really good.
GDU is a company very much focusing on the enterprise drone market, and most of our clients, they are first responders.
Oh, okay. Sure,
yeah, so our two major scenarios. First is the public safety, and the second is the aerial surveying.
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
we are very dedicated to providing a better tool and experience for our clients.
That makes total sense. I mean, especially for a thermal, that's going to be something that they're going to want.
Yes, and also last year, actually we witnessed a very explosive growth of the AI technology.
Right.
And because GDU, we are not only selling the hardware, very focused on providing the total solution. So we managed to launch an AI box. It's a very a cool accessory of our AI intelligent payloads. And with the AI box, managed to add more algorithms to our drone, make it a more intelligent drone for our clients. For example, with the AI box, during the daily flying routine, it will help our officers from the fire department to detect the fire point before it's too big, the fire.
For sure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's awesome. That looks like an incredibly fun drone. I kind of just want to play around with it. So, what do we expect for a retail price on that?
A very new drone. We are looking at around $6,000.
Okay. And when will this just launch? So I could pick one up right now.
The P300 will enter the mass production by the end of this month. So yeah, I think we will start accepting inquiries and orders around the same time, and we are looking at February sell these products to the market.
It's been very excellent, Lizzie. I do appreciate you. Have an excellent day.
Thank you.